Our visit to Telluride included walking around the historic district, enjoying some delicious food, riding the gondola to Mountain Village, and having some fun in the snow. If you're new to our channel, welcome! This is our family adventures, spending 2 days in Telluride, Colorado. Where are we going today? Located in a box canyon and surrounded by majestic 14,000 feet high peaks and forested mountains, Telluride offers breathtaking views in all directions. At only 8 blocks wide and 12 blocks long, Telluride is a mix of colorful Victorian-era homes with European architecture, ski-in and ski-out hotels, and it is a National Historic Landmark District. It has a history rich in music, arts, and mining. The downtown area is full of gourmet eateries, boutiques, and cafes, along with a thriving arts scene. During our visit, we went to Telluride on 2 different occasions to spend the day, so you will notice a more snowy day than the other. In the winter, consistent snowfall equals skiing and snowboarding across perfectly groomed trails, and North America's #1 rated ski resort. The town is a former silver mining camp on the San Miguel River, and the area's mines were rich in zinc, lead, copper, silver, gold, and ores which contained gold in other forms. After the mining era ended in the 1950s, Telluride soon became known as a ski town and for its tourism. And an interesting fact about Telluride is that in June of 1889, Butch Cassidy, before being part of the Wild Bunch, robbed the San Miguel Valley Bank in Telluride. This was his first major recorded crime, and he left with around $24,000 and later became famous as a bank robber.
Subscribe to our channel.
Telluride was founded in 1878 and used to be called Columbia, but due to the confusion with another California town of the same name, it was renamed Telluride in 1887. A gondola sits in a corner of downtown and provides free rides to Telluride Ski Resort and Mountain Village. Telluride's gondola is the only public transportation system of its kind in North America. This 12-minute ride connects Telluride with Mountain Village, a European-style alpine community with incredible amenities, and San Sofia. It is pet-friendly, handicap-accessible, and partially solar-powered. About 28 degrees outside, we're in Telluride, and pouring snow. The majority of funding for the gondola is provided by the Telluride Village Owners Association and its members, and other funding comes from the town of Mountain Village, the town of Telluride, and the Telluride Ski and Gold grants. Mountain Village is known for its luxurious accommodations and incredible terrain, and it is a separate town from Telluride, but complements it at the same time, and they are connected by the gondola. Situated at 9,545 feet, Mountain Village is full of charm, style, and sophistication. They even provide free public Wi-Fi to keep you connected. Gonna order some pizza.
And I'm getting
Pepperoni pizza. Mountain Village offers luxury accommodations, state-of-the-art spas, stylish shops, and sophisticated dining options, as well as a wealth of family-friendly activities. The Village Pond is a family-friendly place located in a conference center plaza. Kids and adults can enjoy it for free, with or without skates, on this well-maintained pond. The site is unsupervised and is open to the public during daylight hours 7 days a week during the winter season. The Mountain Village Ice Rink opens for the winter 12 to 8 p.m. daily. It is operated by Madeline Hotel and Residences and costs $15 to rent skates, but is free to use if you bring your own skates. Joe Zoline, a California entrepreneur, saw the huge potential and created the Telluride Ski Resort in 1972. Tourists then began to flock to town for the amazing ski, and the town grew with many other outdoor activity opportunities. The terrain is legendary and has always been revered as the best of Colorado. The region receives an average more than 300 inches of snow annually and offers more than 2,000 skiable acres for all ability levels. There are plenty of opportunities to have some fun in Colorado, even without skiing or skating. At the end of the day, even just sliding down a hill can be a blast. After we made our way back to Telluride, we decided to try the highly rated Brown Dog pizza. Our wait time was pretty long, but it was well worth it, as the pizza was delicious. So we finally got a table. After a very long wait, so we'll see if this is worth it. Supposedly they have the best pizza in town. Are you hungry? We're gonna get this one. Which one is this one? What's the verdict?
Very good.
Yeah? Muito bom, very good. Did you like it, you say? Did you like it, Becca? It's very thick and lots of flavor in it. The mozzarella is different. Really soft. I liked it. Ridgway is a town 37 miles east of Telluride and 10 miles north of Ouray. Our vacation rental was based here, and it was the perfect point to explore the nearby towns. In the fall of 1968, the film True Grit was filmed in Ouray County, including some scenes in the city of Ouray and in Ridgway, Colorado. Ridgway was developed during the mining boom as a stop along the Rio Grande Southern Railroad that connected Ouray and Telluride. This is a nice little park area. The town of Ridgway has minimized light pollution to earn a designation as a certified dark sky community. Some other popular attractions include lakeside campsites at Ridgway State Park and the Orvis Hot Springs. Our vacation rental was incredible and was able to accommodate our whole extended family of 16 people. As you enter, you can see the dining and living areas. And the kitchen is very modern and spacious with some great views. We stayed in a huge master bedroom, and the master bathroom included a big jacuzzi bathtub, 2 sections with huge closets and 2 toilets, and a nice steam shower.
Here's our rental. Huge, beautiful house.
The house is right by the ridge, and we had a great view of Ridgway from above.
With an amazing view. Setting up a hyperlapse. There's Ridgway. All the way down.
The mornings were so peaceful and quiet. We would take some nice walks around the neighborhood.
It was so much fun encountering some of our wild neighbors.
Once they learned that we had some snacks for them, they would come and hang out in the morning and come back the next day looking for more.
Look at these 3, they want their breakfast.
They sure love the organic carrots and broccoli.
It was fun seeing the deers every morning.
And so we conclude our Colorado winter vacation. If you haven't yet, make sure to check out our Durango and Ouray videos.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button to help support us here on YouTube. And consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you can stay up to date with our travel adventures. Also, stay tuned for some of our upcoming videos in London, Portugal, Madeira, and California.